Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your OPPO Reno 14. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and the call volume in the settings. So this phone does not support changing the call volume in the settings. You can only change it while being in an active call. So go over to the settings and go to sounds and vibration. Now, after getting here you will have these sliders to change the volume, and make sure to adjust the media volume either to the max or almost to the max, just like me. Now to change the call volume, as I said, an active call is the only way. So call up somebody and make sure to turn that volume up. After that, what you guys want to do is make sure that do not disturb mode is disabled, because it can also cause the low volume. It's also in the sounds and vibrations. So make sure that it's not on, just like that. Make sure that it's disabled. And after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grill. So it's right here at the bottom, as you guys can see. I recommend cleaning it with a soft brush. It can help a lot. And after cleaning it, you guys can update your software if the issue still persists. So the issue with it might be the software, not the hardware or the dust. It might be the issue of the software not being updated regularly. So go to system and update. Now go over to software update and make sure that you have the latest version of the ColorOS, just like me. If not, then update it as fast as possible. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.